AirTag last seen showing red. It means no iPhone has spotted it in about a day. Gray last seen is normal, just briefly offline. Red means the location is over a day old and stale. It goes red when no iPhone passes near it, often a rural or quiet low-traffic area. Turn on lost mode, head to the last known spot, and swap a year-old battery. AirTag 2 gets more pings, so fewer reds. If red sticks after you arrive, the item may be truly lost. Gray is fine. Red needs action. Full guide on hotairtag.com.